In this video I show you how to create private keys and public keys for Bitcoin, Litecoin and Dogecoin using the CoinKey package, and we will write the code in JavaScript, but we run it in Node.js. So the whole thing is really simple. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that you install Node.js. Let me close this here and move over here to my code. So you can, I'm using here Visual Studio, and I created here just a project folder. In this project folder we need to install Node.js and npm. You can check if you have it installed with node -v, node minus version, and the same you can do with npm version. And in case you have not installed it for your operating system, then just make sure you install it. It's really simple. You can go here to Node.js website and download it for, I'm using Linux, so but if you use Windows, download it for Windows. And the same, you also need to use download npm, because this is the package manager for Node.js. Once you have downloaded this, we need to install the CoinKey package, and we can do this by running 1 second here. So we can install it with npm I or install, it's up to you, you can use I, and then CoinKey. I have already installed it, so yeah, in my case it is done. And so the first thing that we need to do is we need to import the CoinKey package. So we can do it like this. For CoinKey is require CoinKey, and then we create a random wallet, and the random wallet gives us the private key and the public key. And then we can print out what we need from the wallet. For example, we want to log out the private key, and we also want to log out the public address. Do not confuse the public address with the public key. Those are two different things. For example, the public address is the address that you can share with everybody. A public key you should not share with anyone. So, and then the last thing is we also want to get the public address here, and we can do it like so. So we do console log, I just copied here it is. And so that when we run it the first time, we get the private key. We convert the private key to a string, to a hexadecimal string, and then we also print out the public address. And then we can run the program. So I have to save it, and then we can run the program. So yeah, the file was Bitcoin.js. This is the main file. I forgot to mention this. And we can run the file just like so, node Bitcoin.js. We run it, and here we get the public key, so the private key, and we also get here the public address. As you can see, this is a Bitcoin public address because it starts with 1. And this is how simple it is to create wallets using CoinKey. And you can also, as I said, you can use this for Litecoin and Dogecoin as well, because they are basically copies of Bitcoin, so they kind of work the same. And again, if you want to see how to do this, you can just come here to the CoinKey npm package here, and you see all the information on there on how to create keys for different chains. I will leave this link here in the description, and yeah, just play around with it. It's really interesting on how to create wallets and how to do all this stuff. I will make very soon another video on how to do this in Ethereum. And by the way, you can also come here to my website, codewithjoe.net, and if you want to play around with EVM wallets, you can do this as well. So let me come here to I have not updated it on my website, but you will find this very soon on my website. Too bad that I told you. Just come here to my website. It should be up very soon, and then you see something, it says private key up here on the navigation bar. Just click on it and then you can create private keys for Ethereum. You get public keys and a bunch of other information. Alright guys, this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, I hope you learned something, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day, bye.